Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix the update is not working in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to open your run box just pressing Windows and R button together. After that you have to type over there services.msc. So I will give you this command to my video description. After I put this command on your run box, just press enter from your keyboard. And now you have to type find over there Windows update. So you have to here's a Windows update, as you can see. So you have to right click over there and go to the properties. Now you have to choose here automatically, and after that click on start. Okay, after that click on apply and then okay. Now you have to go to your start menu and go to the settings option over there, and now click on update and security, and here you will get one option is called Windows Update. So click over there and now click on advanced option under check updates. So now you have to enable this option is called automatically download updates, and after that go to the back option, and after that click on troubleshoot option, and now click on Windows Update and click on run the troubleshooter. So after that you have to click on apply this fix. Okay, so as you can see it's fixed. So you have to close the window, and after that go to the Windows Update and click on check for updates. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.